one thing that I'd like to encourage people to do in these movies that I make is to get out and go somewhere. I dropped my glasses. To get out and go somewhere and enjoy physical fitness more. And in this short movie, short vlog, I would like to kind of explore that topic. Now, I've always had my stretches and my few days, few weeks, few months of maintaining a certain level of fitness, but I'm not really good at maintaining it year-round or for more than a couple months. And so hopefully in this vlog I can go and find out some information, not just online, but with people who have done it before. Alright, Curtis, I got some questions for you.
Okay.
Okay, for someone trying to get into fitness, how would they establish long-term goals, but also stay consistent, like long-term? How to stay consistent long-term?
Oh, okay. Well, I think that the answer to that would be like it's a kind of a lifestyle change.
Mm-hmm.
So you definitely have to kind of work it in and schedule it in to your everyday life, and it makes it easier. The more you keep up with it, the easier it gets, and then you want a plan that kind of focuses towards your long-term goal. And so every day you're hustling, working towards that goal.
You being a veteran,
okay,
a 4-year veteran, did being a veteran teach you that? Or did you have to teach yourself?
It was sort of I guess it started when I was getting ready to go into the military. Is kind of when I started adopting that. And it's just really all about who you want to be and making yourself into that person. And that can go not just fitness, that goes like in every aspect of your life. Like, do I want to be educated? Then you just have to develop the lifestyle that you go and get more educated. Or do I want to, I don't know, it's just like anything. But it's yeah.
Because the point of this video is like the topic, the overall, the focus, I kind of want the theme to talk about is fitness. Like how, because I do a lot of physical activity in my videos, like a lot of adventuring and stuff like that. And physical fitness is an important part of that. And so I kind of want to talk about it because I need to adopt a more steady physical training regimen. Is that the right word?
Yeah, regiment.
Yeah.
Regime?
Regime.
No, I don't think that's the word.
Alright.
It's key.
Confidence is key. Alright, Curtis and I are back at it again, doing a little collab, doing another video. This is actually the day after we shot the Point of Arches hiking video, and so now we're hiking again, doing another hiking vlog. So bringing the energy, trying to stay awake and hike more. How long is this hike, Curtis?
This should be about 5-6 miles round trip.
Those of you who don't watch my vlogs and hike a lot, we got some of the hiking lingo. This is called switchback right here, where you kind of zigzag up the mountain, and when a trail has those, that means it's usually pretty hard because you're rising in elevation pretty quickly. And so it's fairly exhausting. So hopefully I'm filming enough to make it entertaining enough video. And if that doesn't make you want to subscribe and like the video, I don't know what will. So please do that. So I think we're almost there. We're getting close at least.
All night takes us to a place to escape and chill. Tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way back? Nobody knows. And we leave it all behind.
Finally made it down to the bottom. We took the road back, which is the long way, but it was easier on our knees. And now we're gonna go eat a burger.
A good burger at French Maybe.
This is what it's like when you get two people who want to film a video together.